In the previous video, we created a paint app. Now we're going to create some color samples so that we can paint in different colors. I've created a color chart that lists the pin numbers that are associated with different colors. And we're going to use that to create some samples that can be used to select colors. So we can look at each of the items in the chart. So item 13 is magenta, item 5 is yellow, and if I look at the second column in the chart, then it gives me the pin number associated. The first column gives me the color, and then the second column gives me the pin number associated with that color. I can draw a series of color swatches by setting the pen in turn to each color and then moving forward a little with the turtle. If I set the pen hue to that color, in this case yellow, I can then put the pen down and move a certain number of steps. In this case, I'm going to move 20 steps. And I'll be able to see this a little bit more clearly if I increase the pen size. So currently the pen size is set to 1, and I'm going to set it up to 20, and then we'll draw again. And now we get a nice wide swath, although it'll be a little bit more well defined if I make the pen tip, the pen that as it draws, have a flat end, and that is this option under the settings. So now when I draw, it gives me a nice square. I can combine these capabilities by using a loop, and I'll just walk through the different pin numbers. So for I from 2 to 13, I would like to have item I from the color chart, and then I'll just walk through and I get all the list of colors. Now, one other refinement that we could create is to put the pin back up and move a couple of steps between each move. And if we do that, we'll get a little bit of separation between the color swatches. So I'm going to clear things off. And now we have a nice set of colors that we can select. And we'll develop a user interface to select the colors in the next video.